In today's video, I'll teach you how to change Unipay password. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in business.unipay.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Unipay. If you have forgotten your password, you'll be able to reset it from the login interface only. But if you know your password already and if you want to change it, you'll be able to do it if you're logged into your account. If you're not logged into your account, simply go ahead with resetting your password. But in order to change your password, click on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find two options over here. Click on this option, my profile, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for manage password. Click on this option, change password, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to change the password. First of all, enter the current password over here. Click on the field of current password and enter your current password. Make sure to enter the correct password. After you do that, create the new password for yourself. Make sure to comply by the requirements of the password. Your password must have minimum of 8 characters. It must contain the Latin letters, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, as well as special characters. Now what you have to do is simply confirm the password. Now once you're done, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your password will be successfully changed. So like this you'll be able to change your password. So that is how you change Unipay password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.